Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Facebook Marketplace location. And here's how it is done. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. I'll be using the Facebook app on my iPhone, so I will search for it and open it now. If you are not already logged in, make sure to do that first, then follow along with me. Once you're in, tap the three lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu. From there, locate and select Marketplace. Mine is right here, so I will click on it. Currently, my location is set to Iligan City as shown by the blue map icon. To change it, simply tap on the location then click Edit. You'll see options to search by city, neighborhood, or zip code. For example, if I want to search in Cagayan de Oro, I can type Cagayan de Oro or enter the area code, then hit Enter. This brings up results for Cagayan de Oro. To refine your search, you can adjust the radius. You can zoom in or out on the map to focus on a specific area or select suggested radius for a broader range. Once satisfied, hit the apply button for your marketplace update. And that's everything you need to know about how to change Facebook Marketplace location. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.